No feedback rows exist yet, so the target median is unknown. I'm starting with a broad, popular movie guess to get type, year, rating, genre, actor, and director feedback. I accepted the cookie banner and opened the search suggestions so I can select the matching row precisely before submitting. Step 1. Type card is green. Guess title is Inception, medium of guess is movie, target median equals movie. Step 2. Year is yellow and shows 2010 with an up arrow, so target is within 2 years and newer than 2010. Rating is red and shows 8.8 with a down arrow, so target rating is more than 0.5 lower than 8.8. Genre overlap is action green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no highlight, and director Christopher Nolan shows no highlight. Constraints. Target is a movie released 2011 or 2012. Action genre does not have adventure or sci-fi from this guess. Rating is below 8.3 and likely excludes the listed Inception actors and Nolan. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest row says the target is a movie from 2011 or 2012, newer than Inception, with IMDb rating lower than 8.3, and it shared action but not adventure or sci-fi with Inception. Fast 5 is a different 2011 action movie with a much lower rating and no adventure or sci-fi, so it is a strong narrowing guess. Step 1. Type card is green. Guess title appears to be Fast X, medium of guess is movie, target median equals movie. Step 2. Year is red with a down arrow, so the target is more than 2 years older than Fast X. Rating appears red with an up arrow, so the target rating is more than 0.5 higher than Fast X. Genre overlap is action green, while adventure and crime are gray. Actors Vin Diesel, Michelle Rodriguez, and Jason Statham show no highlight, and director Louis Leterrier shows no highlight. Constraints. Target is a movie, still likely 2011 or 2012 from the Inception row, as action genre is not adventure, sci-fi, or crime based on scene guesses, as a rating higher than Fast X but lower than 8.3 and excludes the listed Fast X cast and director. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Latest feedback from Fast X confirms the movie target is much older than 2023, rating higher than 5.7, and action overlaps while adventure and crime do not. Prior Inception also restricts the year to 2011 or 2012 and rating below 8.3 with no sci-fi. Warrior is a different 2011 action movie with rating in range and without adventure, sci-fi, or crime, so it should test drama and actor overlaps. Step 1. Type card is green. Guess title is Warrior, medium of guess is movie, target medium equals movie. Step 2. Year is yellow with 2011 and an up arrow, so the target is within 2 years and newer than 2011, meaning likely 2012 or 2013 but combined with Inception likely 2011 or 2012 and newer than 2011 gives 2012. Rating is red with 8.1 and a down arrow, so target rating is more than 0.5 lower than 8.1. Genre overlap is action green, while drama and sport are gray. Actors Tom Hardy, Nick Nolte, and Joel Edgerton show no highlight, and director Gavin O'Connor shows no highlight. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest Warrior row confirms the target is a movie, years newer than 2011 within 2 years, and rating is more than 0.5 lower than 8.1. Combined with Inception, this points strongly to a 2012 movie with rating roughly 6.3 to 7.5. Action overlaps, while adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, and sport have not overlapped, so I am guessing Safe House, a 2012 action thriller with rating in range and useful actor checks. Step 1. Type card is red. Guess title is House, medium of guess is TV series, target medium equals movie. Step 2. Year appears red with target newer than House, and rating appears red with target lower than House. Genre pills, drama, comedy, and mystery show no clear green overlap. Actors Hugh Laurie, Omar Epps, Robert Sean Leonard, Jesse Spencer, and Lisa Edelstein show no highlight, and directors Greg Yaitanes and Darren Sarafian show no highlight. Constraints. Target is a movie, likely 2012 from earlier feedback, has action from prior rows, rating is below 7.6 but above the Fast X rating, does not appear to share drama, comedy, mystery, adventure, sci-fi, crime, or sport, and excludes house cast and directors. Type card is red for House, so target medium equals movie. The combined feedback points to a 2012 movie with action, rating roughly between 6.3 and 7.5, and no adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, sport, comedy, or mystery overlap. Safe House is a strong fit as a 2012 action thriller with a 6.7 rating, and I am using Enter only to select the highlighted drop-down row before clicking the Guess button. Type card is red for House, so target medium equals movie. The feedback constrains the target to a 2012 movie with action overlap, rating below 7.6 and above the low Fast X range, and no adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, sport, comedy, or mystery overlap shown so far. I am using the shorter fragment Save H, so the dropdown should highlight Save House rather than House, then Enter only commits the dropdown choice and the Guess button click submits it. Type card is red for the latest House row, so target median equals movie. The prior rows constrain the target to a 2012 movie with action overlap, target rating below 7.6 and likely above about 6.3 with no overlap for adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, sport, comedy, or mystery. I'm switching to Active Valor, a 2012 action thriller war movie in a plausible rating band, using Enter only to commit the highlighted drop-down selection and then clicking Guest Submit. Type card is red for house, so target medium equals movie. The visible latest row confirms the target is not TV, is newer than 2004, and has a lower rating than 8.7. Earlier rows narrow it to a 2012 action movie around the mid-6 to mid-7 rating range with no adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, sport, comedy, or mystery overlap. I'm changing strategy by typing only the distinctive fragment safe, so the dropdown should surface safe house rather than house, then selecting the first matching row and clicking Guess. Type card is red for house, so target medium equals movie. The constraints point to a 2012 movie with action, rating roughly 6.3 to 7.5, and no visible overlap with adventure, sci-fi, crime, drama, sport, comedy, or mystery. I'm switching to the distinctive title fragment Legacy to select The Bourne Legacy, a plausible 2012 action thriller, then clicking the Guess button to register it. Step 1 type card is red. Guess title is Monarch, Legacy of Monsters, medium of guess is TV series, target medium equals movie. Step 2, year is red with target older than the 2023 TV guess. Rating is not fully clear behind the poster hint modal, but it appears around 7.0 and should keep the target in the mid-rating band from prior rows. Genre overlap shows action green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actor Anna Sawai, QC Clemens, Ren Wadade, Joe Tippett, and Ren Wadade or another listed cast member show no clear highlight, and directors Hiromi Kamada and Merzi Alna show no highlight. Constraints, target is a movie, likely 2012, as action, not adventure or sci-fi, likely rating between about 6.3 and 7.5, and exclude Monarch, Legacy of Monsters cast and directors. Type card is red for Monarch, Legacy of Monsters, so target medium equals movie. The latest row shows target is older than 2023, NDB rating appears to match 7.0, and action overlaps while adventure and sci-fi do not. Earlier feedback points strongly to a 2012 action movie with rating around 7 and not drama, sport, or crime, so Jack Reacher is a strong candidate and I am selecting its drop-down row before clicking Guess. Nice, the answer was Jack Reacher, solved in 6 guesses. The key clues were Lahi in a movie from 2012 with a 7 rating, plus the action and thriller genre path that pointed to the Tom Cruise and Christopher McQuarrie title.